If you're seeing Photoshop error 41, that usually means the installer is running into a file access problem, like a permissions issue, a temp file problem, or a corrupted extraction cache. The good news is that this is usually fixable with a few simple steps, and in this video I'm going to walk you through them one by one. So if Photoshop won't install, update, or open properly because of error 41, keep watching. And before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, try the fastest fix. Restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary background issues and reset any locked installer processes that may be causing the error. After your computer comes back on, go to the Creative Cloud app or the Photoshop installer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with admin privileges gives the installer the access it needs to read and write files correctly, which is often enough to fix error 41 right away. If that doesn't solve it, move on to the next step, because this one is very important. Press Windows plus R to open the Run box. In the field, type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your temporary files folder, where Adobe installers often store unpacked setup files and cache data. Now select everything in that folder and delete it. If some files won't delete because they're in use, skip those and remove the rest. Clearing the temp folder removes broken installer files and corrupted cached data that can stop Photoshop from installing correctly. This step fixes a lot of extraction and access errors, so don't skip it. After that, we need to make sure no Adobe processes are stuck running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. If needed, click More Details so you can see the full list of processes. Now look for Creative Cloud, Adobe Installer, ccxprocess, and Adobe PC Broker. Right-click each one and choose End Task. These background Adobe services can hold files open or interfere with the installer, and ending them helps give Photoshop a clean start. Once those processes are closed, try launching the installer or Creative Cloud again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, combining these steps fixes Photoshop error 41 completely because you've restarted the system, cleared broken temp data, and removed conflicting Adobe background processes. If Photoshop still gives you trouble after that, you may want to restart once more and try the install again using Run as Administrator, since that can help the setup finish without permission conflicts. And remember, error 41 is usually not a permanent Photoshop problem. It is typically an installer extraction or access issue, which means the fix is often about cleaning up the environment around the install rather than reinstalling everything from scratch. So the main things to remember are restart the PC, run the installer as administrator, clear the temp folder, and close all Adobe processes before trying again. If this video helped you fix Photoshop error 41, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, because I post simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides that save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.